How can I access BT Sport through Amazon Prime?
Hello, fellow sport enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk through how you can access BT Sport using your Amazon Prime account. BT Sport, for those who may not know, is a group of sports television channels provided by BT Consumer. With this guide, you'll be watching your favorite sports on BT Sport through Amazon Prime in no time.
Is BT Sport available on Amazon Prime?
The first question we need to address is, can you watch BT Sport on Amazon Prime? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, BT Sport was not directly available through Amazon Prime Video in the way that some channels can be added to your subscription for an additional monthly fee. However, you can access BT Sport indirectly by using the Amazon Prime to purchase a BT Sport monthly pass, then accessing BT Sport content through the BT Sport website or app.
How to purchase a BT Sport monthly pass?
To watch BT Sport content, you'll need to purchase a BT Sport monthly pass. This can be done directly from the BT Sport website. It's a no-contract, pay-as-you-go way of accessing BT Sport content. 1. Go to the BT Sport website. 2. Find the option for the BT Sport monthly pass and click on it. 3. Follow the instructions to purchase the pass. You will need to create a BT Sport account if you don't already have one. Remember, while you're using Amazon Prime to make this purchase, BT Sport content is not directly accessible via the Amazon Prime Video app or website. You will use your BT Sport account to access the content.
How to watch BT Sport content?
Now that you have your BT Sport monthly pass, you can start watching. 1. Go to the BT Sport website or use the BT Sport app on your device. 2. Log in with your BT Sport account, the one you used or created when purchasing your monthly pass. 3. Navigate to the content you wish to watch. You can use any device that has the BT Sport app available. This includes computers, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and more. And that's it. Even though BT Sport isn't directly available on Amazon Prime Video, you can still use your Amazon account to purchase a BT Sport monthly pass and access the sports content you love. Now you're ready to cheer on your favorite teams and watch the games you don't want to miss. Enjoy your viewing experience on BT Sport.